Hey there friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your files onto your Google Drive account. So you scroll down here, you can see I have a folder here filled with my photo archives, my picture archives. So one way of backing up your files is to do it manually. All you have to do is locate the files that you'd like to back up. In this case, I have it here, and all I have to do is simply drag and drop them onto the folder, onto my Google Drive. So it says replace because I've already uploaded these and backed them up. And within a few minutes, or depending on how large your files are, it should automatically get uploaded. Within a few minutes, or depending on how large your files are, they should finish uploading. Another way of backing up your files is to use the Drive for Desktop app, which you can find here. To find this, simply search Google Drive for Desktop. It should be the first result you see. So here, scroll down a little bit, you're going to be able to see to download Drive for Desktop. I'm going to click on Download for Windows, and it's going to download the file. What this does is it lets you use this computers tab at the left side. So you have your home, your My Drive, and your computers. And here in computers, it's going to upload and manage all of the files that you are editing and managing on your desktop itself. So let's add an application shortcut. I don't mind. And let's have it installed. Let's click on launch and it is ready to go. I'm just going to finish signing in with my email account. Sign in and we're good to go. So here you can choose which folders are going to be synchronized with your Google Drive account. So let's say I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to make a new folder and call it Drive Backups. So now I'm going to click on Add Folder in the Google Drive app, and I'm going to navigate to that folder. Click on Select, click on Next, and here. And I'm going to skip the photos, and you can see which folders will be synced with your Drive account here. Going to click on Next, and Next, and Open Drive. There we go. So now, as we can see, everything is successfully synchronized with my Google account, and that's mostly because the folder is empty. So let's try placing a picture into the folder. Let's say I want this photo to my Drive account. Going to copy and paste it. Check on the sync status. It says here upload will begin shortly. And if we navigate back to our Google Drive, we should be able to see it. There we go. So as you can see, it's successfully been synchronized pretty much automatically. All I have to do is place them within a specific backup folder. So that's it. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.